Some YouTubers have already said that you can make hundreds or even thousands of dollars by watching videos, but if you've been watching my channel, you know that's not true. Still, some of you have asked me in the comments, are there any real websites or apps that pay real money for watching videos? And the answer is yes. There are some websites and apps that pay you to watch videos. In today's video, I'll show you some of them. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on the red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. Now, I want to stress that this won't bring in a lot of money, and you probably won't make more than $1 a day by watching videos. But we all know that there's a lot to talk about in this area. Some YouTubers say that watching videos will make you hundreds of dollars, which is why I want to stress that watching videos doesn't make a lot of money. You can make some money by watching videos, but anyone who tells you that you can make several dollars per hour by doing this is trying to trick you. In this video, I'll show you all of the apps that give you money but don't allow you to make a lot of it. Now, option 5 is the best choice, which is also what I would choose. Let me know in the comments what you're gonna do to make more money online. Please leave a comment when this video is over to tell me what you think. Now, the first website where you can make money by watching videos is called earnably.com. I've made a couple of videos about Earnably in which I ask if you can make $7 or $10 per hour by watching videos on this site, and the answer is no. You can make some money on this website, but if you just watch videos, it's usually just a few cents, not even $1. I've cashed out money from Earnably, so it's a real website, as have probably hundreds, thousands, or even tens of thousands of other people. Okay, moving on, the name of the second website is swagbucks.com, and it's huge. Swagbucks has been around for more than 10 years, so it's a pretty big website. They have given their users more than $730 million. I will also cash out some money from Swagbucks. It won't be a lot, but it'll be a few dollars. And I have a video with this platform and some Swagbucks payment rules for you to watch. You can also make money on Swagbucks by doing simple things like playing games, taking surveys, filling out your profile, shopping online, and so on. Most websites that let you make money by watching videos also have simple tasks like surveys, playing games, downloading apps, or making TikTok videos or something simple like that, but they don't pay a lot. Of course, if you want to make more money, you can sign up for all of these sites. When one of them runs out of tasks, you can go to another site. If you live in a Western country, for example, I can tell you that will make much more money in the real world than with these sites. However, these small money sites may be better than, say, lying on the couch and watching TV, or reading a useless topic on Reddit, or watching a useless video on YouTube. That said, there are other things you can do online to make more money. By the way, comment down below, I am from this country. In that way, I will know exactly where you're from, so in the future, I can make sure that every single video I release is meant for you. So, drop your country's name in the comments down below. Okay, the third website is called Inbox Dollars because I saw some YouTubers say that you could make as much as $20 per hour on Inbox Dollars and then promote the site. Now, you can't make $20 per hour if you live in the US. They will give you a $5 sign-up bonus if you live in the UK. They also give you a sign-up bonus if you live in some other countries, but not everywhere. Some of you always ask me if the older websites like Swagbucks and Earnably work all over the world. How do I earn money? Like I said, these work in India and the Philippines, and my #1 recommendation, which I leave in the description, works in every country. It doesn't matter if you're in India, the Philippines, Nigeria, Finland, the UK, or the US. It works everywhere. If you like any of the sites I showed you, make sure you click the like button. Now, Inbox Dollars is also a very old website, just like Swagbucks or Earnably. All of these sites have paid a lot of money to their users, so you don't have to worry that you won't get paid if you complete a task. These are real websites that pay real money. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below. And if you do, that would be awesome. Without further ado, let's get back to work and earn some cash. Okay, now we'll talk about the fourth one, which is TimeBucks. I've made videos on my YouTube channel about TimeBucks, so you can see that it's been around for a long time. In my first video about TimeBucks reviews, I said don't go to this website, just don't go. There are much better ways to make money online. But then I remembered that I actually said that in my most recent video, if you want to make more money, go to TimeBucks. I have recently learned that for some people, $5 a day, for example, may be enough. Again, I'm not promising that you can make $5 a day with TimeBucks. It is possible, but it takes a lot of work. So TimeBucks is still not my first choice, but it is a website that pays real money. Instead of saying don't go there, I would say go to TimeBucks instead of watching TV. However, there are better options than TimeBucks, and I'll leave a link in the description. Many people also seem to like TimeBucks. For example, on Trustpilot, there are more than 1,000 reviews of this website, and the average rating is 4.0 out of 5. That's huge, and all of these are like Swagbucks, Earnably, and Inbox dollars. So the average rating is pretty good. It's not as bad as, say, iRazoo, which is another site that says you can make money by watching videos. On Trustpilot, iRazoo has an average rating of 3.3 out of 5 or something like that. TimeBucks, on the other hand, has a 4.0 out of 5, so it's not a bad choice. Stop here for a moment. I want you to take a deep breath and feel the money flowing your way because things will become better sooner. Before I reveal to you the last tips and tricks, we would like you to smash that like button as well as hit that red subscribe button, and so we will make these dreams come true. Oh, you completed that already? Thank you. And so let's begin the last step in making money online. So we're now on number 5, and this one is a little bit different. This is not a specific website, but it's my suggestion if you want to watch videos online. Watching educational videos online is a good way to learn how to make more money online. Because in reality, if you just watch videos on the internet and want to make money by doing that, you might get up to $1 per day. But if you watch educational videos that teach you skills on how to make money online with affiliate marketing, or how to make money online with dropshipping, making YouTube videos, or any other skill you want to learn, you can make a lot more money. Maybe $50, $100, $200, $300, or even more in a day. So improving your skills will give you the best return. Of course, that's not the easiest thing to do. Most people just want something like, okay, I'll watch videos and make money like these. Most people will do that, so if you're not like most people, you're ready to invest in yourself and take your time to watch what's educational and learn the skills. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you will start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video, and if you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do is like my channel, turn on the notification bell, like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money-making videos, go to the next video, which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.